Hi guys, I'm Asif Ali and you're watching CGHOW video. Today I created this stylized explosion in UE 5.1 Niagara, and I will create it from scratch so you can understand better. And if you haven't subscribed my YouTube channel yet, please subscribe it. If you like this video, like, share and comment, and let's start this. Let's create something stylized. So I'll create a material and this doll, and let's open this. You need a mesh and then you need some textures. Like if I take first noise texture, my system is lagging today, I don't know why. So I'll just take a noise, a blur noise, and I'll multiply it and then